Menteri Rambak Kejela, Ukon Ratke Sangma, Hakat Sautrik Ujembang, Ula Pelat Patba, Hikali Tamai, Kipulit, Ha Police Officer Mes, Golfling, Shillong, Kum Kasin Jam, Kabakongsan, Menpen Kelanya Kalit Kawan, Kakit Karong, Hikipulit, Kabe Kambe Jam, Kajinglet Kenra, Kamsnio, Pat Kajingla, Ban Ai, Kajing Shakri, Kababha, Shikipat Ba, Hikipulit Kajila.
Today we have given an additional 95 vehicles to the police force to be distributed in different districts, and this is in continuation with our state government's commitment to ensure that we are able to maintain law and order and support our police forces and enhance their capability and strength. So whether it's manpower, recruitment, whether it's the infrastructures at the grassroots level in outpost and police stations, whether it is training of our police force, or whether it is logistical support like vehicles and also different ammunition and other equipments that are required. In all areas, our government has been supporting the police force to enhance their capability so that they are able to perform their duties in a much more efficient manner, which will ultimately, of course, benefit the people of our state.
So also, your thoughts?
The attack, any kind of violence is something that from our party side is completely unacceptable. And the way it was done and the way the church leaders were attacked and the loss of lives that was there is something that we have highly condemned as a party. And we urge the state government as well as the people of Manipur that we need to ensure that violence must stop, and we must continue to work together, as a society to work towards bringing back peace in the state of Manipur, as Manipur has been suffering for a very long time, and if we do not have peace, we will not be able to move towards bringing back normalcy in the state. Sworn in Assam, and therefore let a few days pass. I will communicate with Honorable Chief Minister Assam, and we will definitely take the discussion forward soon. Thank you.